Today we learn how we make the salary of an employee. Okay, so we just do today, that is the salary detail formation by using Excel. Okay, so just start with the salary date. Just place your cursor in this and just type here employee ID, EMP ID, then employee name, then designation, and that is basic salary. Do you know basic salary? Basic salary is the amount on which the percentage or different allowance based on this basic salary. For example, if you will get the 10% HRA on which amount? On basic salary. Okay. So here we just add the headings of the salaries, like this is HRA, that is house rent allowance, house rent allowance. I'm just writing the short form. Okay, you just do the full form or just remind the full form by watching my video. And here the DA. DA means dearness allowance. And here we have that is TA. TA means traveling allowance. Next one, there is PF. PF is the provident fund. You will get this amount after the retirement day or any problem or any pandemic situation. You will use this money. And here we use income tax. Income tax, and then that is gross salary, and then we get net salary. Okay, so that is the all headings, and after making all the headings, just select all the content like this and press Alt plus HOI, Alt plus HOI, or you can also make the same width of the particular columns width by using that is format. And here we have an option that is column width. When you click on column width, we can set the column width by using this option. For example, here we set 6.5. We'll get a 6.5 for each column. And just double click on this particular line. You will get the width according to text. And you can also hold it and just increase the width of the column by using mouse manually. Understood? Just double click on this particular section. Double click here. You will get auto fitted column width. Okay, and just type here the deal E01, E02, E03, E04, and just make for the 10 employee. Just select it and drag down for the 10 employee and just type the name Ravi, Mamta, Savita, Monu, Sonu, Sonia, Ashish, Kashish. Okay, these are the name and just type your designation. Designation means that is a post. That is manager, clerk, accountant, manager, clerk, accountant, peon, accountant, clerk, and accountant. So these are the employees designation, and after that just type the basic salary. Here we set the basic salary, that is the manager basic salary is 35,000, that is basic salary. And clerk 25,000, accountant 30,000, 25,000. Okay, and just type manager salary 35,000. Salary 25,000, accountant 30,000 salary, and peon 25,000, and clerk 25,000, 25,000, and 30,000. So these are the basic salary. Okay. And after entering the basic salary, we just calculate the HRA in the form of percentage. So how much percent we just get or we just pay the HRA, that is house rent allowance. What is the meaning of house rent allowance? This amount provided by the company for the rent of any residential as you get for the living during your job. Okay, that is the additional amount you will get extra than the basic salary. But the 10% of what? 10% of basic salary. Understood? So if you want to just find out the 10% of the HRA of basic salary, just press is equal to symbol and just type here 10 by 100, or just press star to the multiply symbol and just select the 35,000. And when you enter, you will get the amount that is 3,500. Similarly, we just calculate the DA, just type here 28% and do the same process for the DA. Just press is equal to and just select it and multiplied by 28 by 100, you will get the D amount like this. Understood? And here we get the T according to the distance. For example, here we get a 6% as a DA, oh sorry, as a traveling allowance. So how can we calculate? Just press is equal to and just select it and press multiply and 6/100 and you will get the amount of PA. And similarly, we just calculate PF is a deduction, not the income. It is a deduction. Okay, so this is will be 12%, and with the same calculation, do the same calculation by using the previous formula. Just press is equal to select the basic salary, use multiplied symbol, just type 12 by 100. So by this formula, we will get the 12% of basic salary. And last one, that is income tax. How we get the income tax? Just start bracket and just type here 10% of total income. Okay, so this income based on the total amount we get on the in the form of gross salary. Okay, just see there. Firstly, we have to calculate the gross salary. Just press is equal to and select the amount. Like this is the basic salary. Just use the sum function. You can also use the sum function like this. Start bracket and just select it. Press comma, select it, press comma, select it, press comma, like this, and close the bracket. And after closing the bracket, just press enter. You will get the sum of all the earning of the employee. That is the gross salary. Okay. And after the deduction of the PF, we calculate the income tax. For example, if you want to just calculate the income tax, just press is equal to start the bracket and select the gross salary and minus PF. PF is a deduction of employee, and it will get the employee after retirement and any situation that they need funds. Okay, and just press enter by using multiply 10 by 100, and you will get the 10% of all deduction from the gross salary will pay. We have to pay income tax, and it is also reducing the salary, and it is also the reducing the salary, and that after deduction of these two amount we will get the net salary. Just press is equal to and just type here sum bracket start and select it gross salary and just press comma, use minus symbol because it is a minus amount, because it is a deduction. Just press comma, just use minus symbol and it is also reduction, and close the bracket. After closing the bracket, just press enter. You will get the net salary of a particular employee. Understood? And after doing this, if you want to just set the currency format, just select all the amount like this and just use Control Shift plus 4. Control Shift plus 4. You will get the currency format, and this hash symbol means there is a little bit less space according to the text. Just double click on this particular line, you will get the width according to text like this. Okay, so whenever a hash looking like this, it means the space is little bit less, so we just increase the width of the cell like this. And after doing this, if you want to just apply this format, just select it and press Control Shift plus 4, or you can also go with the this currency format. Okay, and after completing this, just select all the data and press Control plus D, Control plus D, Control plus D, and you can also go through this. Just select the first data like this and just click on at the corner. This is the thing plus double click on this. You will get all the data like this. Okay, so there are two processes by which you just fill all the data according to your function, and these are the salary detail of our 10 employees like this. Okay, and after selecting all the data, you decorate this by using the all border, and after that, if you want to just make a symbol of filter button, just press Alt DFF. Just press Alt plus DFF. Alt plus DFF. Okay, sequentially hold the control button and just press sequentially DFF. Just see there. After selecting this, just press Alt DFF. We will get the button like this at the top row. So see there, this is the button. Different buttons available there. You can observe easily on the top of the row. Just see there. Is it visible? Hello. Is it visible here?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So after doing this, if we want to just give some limitations and we want to just filter the data, to firstly just make the format by selecting this like this and just click on. After selecting, just press on format table and you can choose anyone like this and click on OK. You will get the format like this, and you can also change the format by using this feature. And just see there, if we want to just find out the employee who get the salary more than 35,000. So when we click on this filter button, here we have an option that is number filter. When we click on number filter, here we have another option that is greater than. That is greater than. When you click on greater than, here we have a cell, just type the amount that is 35,000. Greater than 35,000. And when we click on OK, it will get the amount of all the employee who will get 30 more than 35,000 salary in a month. Okay. So this is the button by which we can choose or we can filter the data according to our requirement. If we want to just clear the filter, here we have an option that is clear filter. By pressing this, it will remove the filter option and it will show all the data. Similarly, we can apply this filter in every column of your table or data. Understood? We can also do the same process with that. You can select here and choose any condition for this particular process. Okay. And just select it and just give some format like this. And after doing this, if you want to just set the theme of this particular table, so here we have a different themes also available for this particular section. So in Excel, we have also an option that is page layout, and here we have an option that is theme. That is theme. When we click on theme, we can choose any theme according to our requirement. You can set the theme. After setting the theme, you can set the different color set like this. And after that, you can also set the font by using this. And after, this is the different types of text also available for your data. And there is the different color. So we just click on home and we select different color like this. There's a multiple colors data like this. And just click on and OK. Not here. After selecting the data like this, and then it will apply like this. Okay. And here we can set the theme like this. You will get like this. Okay. So which one you do like, just choose it and use it. Clear? And just press Ctrl+P to make bold it like this. And after that, if you want to just make the graph or chart of this particular data, so here we just select all the data like this and press F11. Just press F11. When you press F11, you will get the chart like this manner. Okay. I have already told about this chart. Just see there the maximum salary which person gets, that is more than 50,000. That is the person is manager, that is Kavita. Okay. So these are the data, and if you want to just analyze only the HRA, just click on this, select data, and here we just calculate only the HRA. Just remove all the data, and here we analyze only the HRA, nothing else. Just remove all the data and click on this. So we will get only the HRA detail like this. Okay. So by this option, we can modify. And if we want to just calculate only the net salary, just check it, net salary, and click on OK. You will get the net salary, and you can easily observe or analyze whose salary is the maximum. That is manager salary, that is Kavita got the maximum salary in this particular data. Similarly, if you want to just analyze anything according to our requirement, you just check it and use it. And if you want to just analyze a single person data or 2% data, you can also remove the checkbox from this, and you can also compare the 2% data by using this. Just see here. Here we use 2%, that is Ravi manager and Mamta clerk. Just click on this. You can get the comparative sheet of two employee chart, two employee data. Clear? So that is the option by which we can get the different modifications according to our need, and we can set the data by using this. If you want to just all data, show all the data, just check all the buttons, and after checked all the button, you will get all the data in your table, the serial. Okay. And if you want to just move this chart on the sheet, just click on move chart and select the object on sheet and click on OK. You will get the chart like this, and just move it at the bottom of this and just maximize like this according to the table width. So firstly, just decrease the view and just use or match the width of this particular content. Okay. And after doing this, you want to just take a print out, just press Control plus F2 to take the print preview, the serial. So here in portrait form, we do not get the particular this view properly. So we just click on page setup, and here we choose landscape and just click on OK. We will get the proper look and all the data like this. So here that not complete the whole data, this TA is available there. So we have to just increase the page size by using which option? By using page option. Just click on page, and here we choose A3 size. A3 is the double of A4 size. Just click on this. You will get all the data like this. And after this, just increase the size of this, and you will get the data in whole page. So it is less. Just click on this and click on OK. And after that, we want to just make centralize. Just click on margin and click here horizontally center, and we will get like this. Understood? So these are the data by which we can show the salary detail of any company. And if you want to just add the headings of this particular sheet, and if you want to just give the printable headings for this particular sheet, just go through the option, just press Control plus F2, and here we have an option. I have already told you, that is header option. Just click on header and just click on custom header and just type the data, that is salary detail of employee, salary details of employee. Okay, and you just increase the font size by using this option and change the color. Here we choose red color or pink color, and increase the font size like this and click on OK. You will get the data like this. Okay, and the top of your page. Understood? Any doubt?
Yes, sir. No, sir. I don't have a doubt.
Okay, let's do with the next option. Here we have another option, that is, if we want to just remove the button of the filter from this particular page, so what we do? We just press same button Alt D FF to activate the filter or deactivate the filter. Just press Alt plus D FF to remove the filter button from the top of your row of the table. Clear? So that is the process. And if you want to just do some another process, just here we have another option, the serial. Just click on data, and here we have an option, that is what if analysis. What if analysis. When you click on what if analysis, here we have an option, that is goal seek. Why we use goal seek? If we want to how much salary we have to increase to get in this cell 50,000. Just press 50,000 like this, and what will be the basic salary to get 50,000 according to this percentage? So we have to select the basic salary, because this amount will change by changing this basic salary, and by this option we can easily calculate what are the changes in this amount. We get this 50,000. Just click on OK. We will get here, if the basic salary will be 42,087 rupees 54 paise, then we will get 50,000 as a net salary of a month. Okay. So after this analysis, we can do the same process with another one. And if you want to get the same data, just click on OK. It will remain the same data. Otherwise, you want to go to the previous data, just click on cancel. You will get the previous data. So that is all about which option? That is all about goal seek option. That is goal seek option, which comes under the what if analysis. That is goal seek. Understood? So just do this process, and if you have any doubt, then ask me. Okay, dear.